Izinto eyenzeka ukhumbula ngesikhathi ugula. Umngani wami wake wangihlohla ukuthi yena wakwadlisa indoda yakhe. Nami futhi ngingazama ukwenza lokho. Ngakudlisa kanti uzogula. And then ngase iwangicede and then ngase.
We listen, we don't stretch, relax, bro.
And then ngabheke kwinyanga lengangekuyona ngaphinde futhi akuphuzisa something and then over right.
Angijwayele kusibela.
Now we don't judge for now, we listen, we only listen. Small and we listen, we don't judge. That's all we here for. Vezeleli side lakhe, waveze side lakho. Yeah. Do you still have anything to say?
Yeah, nginayo kusho.
Yes. Let's carry on.
Yeah, nakho. Yabona lo mfana lo wayiseva lapha eShakamarine ngenkathi siyikhipile. Lo mfana lo wangitshola naye.
It's getting dirty now, eh?
Well, ke uSipho lo ex yami sesalala naye.
Mayi baba uyangijwayela phela.
You listen and you don't judge.
Very welcome again sasendaweni ke yaseThekwini phansi eDurban. Yeah, akukho okunye okuningi bafisa siqhamuka ngaphansi kweBlack Life TV igama lami kuSibo sizobheka nje izinto ezimnandi. Shuna uthando sizobheka abantu abathandanayo. We visited a botanic garden, of course sipusha content nothing much. Sizoyibhekela abantu abasathandana and to inspire ukuthi uthando lusaphila ngempela ngaphandle, because it's very questionable nowadays ukuthi does love still exist? Yes, it does. We've seen it. Abantu bayathandana, abantu bayajola all over, abanye bahleli nama families, abanye balethe ingane zabo. Kugcwele nje kumnandi kakhulu. So Black Life TV sizobheka abantu abathandanayo bahamba nga 2 by 2. There is a couple abantu engibabona, guys. Hello. Can I have 5 minutes of your time or 1 minute? Naba abantu engibabona njengamanje, we're gonna hijack them and basichazele ngothando, because we're speaking about love. Sanibona mafethu. Igama lami kuSibo, ngiqhamuka ngaphansi kweBlack Life. Just seen you walking. Kwaze kanimnandi ukunibona nibambene ngezandla. Lohlezi nibambene. So, can you take a seat? Are you not rushing, right? Can you just take a seat? And yeah. As I've said, igama lami kuSibo, ngiqhamuka ngaphansi kweBlack Life TV. We came all the way to witness uthando. Siphushela content, sithila lezinto nje, i-vibe emnandi, i-vibe yothando, because we believe ukuthi love still exists no matter what. You guys are dating. Alright, guys, ama-mic. Ngizocela nje ukuthi nginifaka ama-mic, ningadinwa. There is nothing harmful, it's all harmless. Nginifaka nje ama-mic, ngenzela njalo ngenzela ukuthi sixoxe sizwakale sonke njengoba nami ngikhuluma nje ngizizwa kamnandi. So I want to ask you guys ukuthi ningivulele space ngihlala nje part nendawo. Yeah, again it's Black Life TV. Sibo igama bafowethu sizo-witness uthando. We've seen abantu abajulayo, we've seen abantu who came with families, because uthando ngempela is not about abantu ababili abathandanayo kuphela. It can be about your family, it can be about your friends, it can be about your colleagues at work, it can be about your church mates, it can be about your soccer mates. Worldwide, we can witness uthando ngendlela eningi. Here today Botanic Garden eThekwini kuyinyanga yothando esidlula kuyona ku-March right now. Feb kwakuyinyanga yothando right now siku-March. Nginabantu ababili of which I need to know if they are dating or they are just friends or church mates or whatever. So, ngiyaphila my sister.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila, igama lakho ba?
Nguzanele Sibongo Wanyawo.
Zanele Nyawo. My brother?
Nguvuyo lwethu wakwaMngwe.
Oh, uyathetha. Thetha nami. Yeah. So you said
Zanele Nyawo.
Zanele Nyawo. So Zanele Nyawo, uvuyo lwethu uyini kwena? You guys dating or you are friends?
Sathandana.
Niyathandana nje na niyathandana. So yeah, my brother niyathandana.
Sathandana.
All right. My sister wakuphi nendawo?
WaseNanda.
Aw. Enanda. Bro. Ufike kanjani eNanda?
Hayi kukuza nje lapha eThekwini.
Uhlala kuphi eNanda?
Ngihlala eMatiko.
Matikwe. I know that place. Yeah, so uphuma kwi-inval umuntu okanjani nje if you were to give me intro 5 minutes plus ukuthi umuntu okanjani 5 seconds 5 minutes is too much umuntu okanjani nje.
Alright, ngumuntu othandela isonto, ngi-introvert, ngihlala endlini, ngithanda ukufunda incwadi.
Oh, amsolo memu. Yeah, so umuntu othanda isonto, umuntu ohlezi ayivalele endlini.
Introverts.
Yes, introverts. Yes. So, usually what do you do for fun?
Fun, ngibuka ama-movie,
Mhm.
ngifunda incwadi.
Or you are a reader. Obviously you read the Bible most of the time. My bro, wena umuntu kanjani mfethu?
Ngumuntu nje ozithandela ukuhlala endlini njenganosisi nje lo. Ngumuntu ozithandela ukuhlala endlini. Yeah.
So abantu abahlala endlini bahlangana phi? Because uhlezi uyivalele nahlezi eyivalele. Nahlangana kanjani?
Kusho ukuthi sahlangana edrobheni.
Yes.
eThekwini.
Yes.
Ngoba vele uma uze edrobheni uyaphuma vele ubona abantu.
Yeah.
Khona isikhathi sokuthi
Shawa umoya. Like ishawa umoya nje namhlanje. Yeah. So ikuphi emakhaya?
Emakhaya is a Flagstaff.
Flagstaff. Emakhaya? Because I know emakhaya akakhona ngisenanda. You will be lying to me if you uthi wasenanda semakhaya. Ikuphi emakhaya?
Hayi, ngikhulele eNanda, kodwa ubaba waseNgwavuma.
Oh, Ngwavuma.
Eyaniswazini.
Awulona iswazi. All right. Umfethu wase Flagstaff or wase eNanda. So if you guys to brief someone about uthando lenu, wena what would you say with umuntu wakho?
Umuntu right, ngiphatha kahle, ngihlonipha.
Awungiphethe kahle udali. Ukuphethe kahle. Respect wise.
Ngihlonipha.
Uyakuhlonipha.
Yes.
If you were to be asked ukuthi yini oyifuna kumuntu wesilisa kuyena ungathini nje?
Obvious, umshado, kusangishade. Mase se-ready kodwa.
Yes. Yeah, that's good thing my sister for umshado. Most of people are dating for izinto eyi positive nokuthi another thing people abangayi understand imshado and stuff it's to make into zibe strong everything ukuze nama family members abe happy ngengane yabo and everything. My bro, a relationship okuyona with your girlfriend wakho, what can you say?
Umuntu ngizoyibeka ngesizulu ke
It's fine.
khona nizondiva kahle yabo. Umuntu olalelayo mhlambe uma umtshela ukuthi lokho akulunganga.
Yes.
Nizwisisane umuntu owuphathina kahle ngendlela ukuthi uyathanda ukuthi aqale kuwena aqala mayizoyenza into noma
Yes.
Umuntu njalo nje.
So can you take a bullet for her?
Of course.
Ooh, someone she's lucky. Did you hear that? So, what are the future goals? If I were to give you 10 years from now on, okay, let me say, if you were to have a chance, ukuthi ube grand financially,
Ngihlala eChatsworth
Uhlala
ngokuhlala
eChatsworth.
manje.
yes. If you were to be given a chance, ukuthi nje uvele ube financial out of the blue, what would you do for her?
Oqala of course nje umshado.
What you wishing for is coming, it's on the way, baby. Yes.
Oqala nje umshado. Sengidlala nje.
Yeah.
Konke lokho plan future.
Do you guys have kids?
Cha, asinazo ingane nje.
Any plans?
Yeah,
Hayi kwamanje.
in the future maybe.
Yeah, I love the fact that I manje, and you're saying in future, of which it's relevant, not now, but in future.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So as we still be speaking about the future, we're coming from Black Life TV, besiyibukela, so isikawuthela, sizoyibukela abantu abathandanayo, sihambela ngokwethu. But we saw abantu abayibukela about two, then we get to you guys, we see pushing content, it's about love. We want to prove to people ukuthi yes, love do still exist ndoba sengizwile ukuthi no guys niyathandana ngempela uma ukuthi ungakwazi ngisho nanokumfela. So firstly, what I'd like to know, do you guys have into like imfihlo? Do you have imfihlo? Do you have imfihlo?
No.
No, imfihlo. But I do believe ukuthi there is something that you wish or you've been willing ukuthi uyigonyuluke or tell someone or tell your partner, yabo into kanjalo, because there are things esithi mase semjoleni sihle ukuthi ngiyafisa ukumtshela kodwa sometimes abantu ba react ngendlela engafani mani nobabili kwi me to me face by face sesibhekene sobabili kuba nzima sometimes. So as iBlack Life TV siyaziwa ke thina ngokuthi siyakhona ukuthi siza abantu if umuntu kukhona into afisa ukuyi-expressa akwazi ukuyi-expressa if kukhona umuntu kukhona into afuna ukuyigonyuluka afune ukuyigonyuluka. Black Life TV is dealing with izinto eziningi siyakwazi ukuthi sisize abantu bakwazi ukukhuluma amaqiniso bakhiphelane izimfihlo bathole usizo makuthi kumele basizakale sibasupport kodwa wonke ama-decision abawathathayo end of the day yangithola. So you guys since iningena imfihlo can we play a game of we listen we don't judge?
Yes,
All right, fine, let's go for it. Ubani ozoqala? Ladies first, ubani no, qale wena. Indaba ladies first ayisasebenzi manje. We all equal.
Siyalalela kodwa sijajana.
Yes, we listen we don't judge.
Yeah. Pepe akhumbula ngenkathi ufika lapha kimi endlini. Kusho ukuthi ufuna amapets wakho ne. Ngawathatha lawo maphethi ngawanikeza usisi wami ngoba enenkinga ngaleso sikhathi kuphuthuma.
Angeke ngizikujaje ngalokho. Alright, so listen and we don't judge. Izinto eyenzeka ngiyakhumbula ngesikhathi ugula. Umngani wami wake wangihlohla ukuthi yena wakwadlisa indoda yakhe. Nami futhi ngingazama ukwenza lokho. Ngadlisa kanti uzogula. And then ngase iwangicede and then ngase
We listen we don't judge. Relax bro.
and then ngabheke kwinyanga lengangekuyona ngaphinde futhi akuphuzisa something and then over right.
Angijwayele kusibela.
Now we don't judge for now. We listen. We only listen. Small nje. We listen. We don't judge. That's all we here for. Vezelile side lakhe, waveze side lakho. Yeah. Do you still have anything to say?
Yeah, nginayo into kusho.
Yes. Let's carry on.
Yeah, nakho. Yabona lo mfana lo wayeseva lapha eShakamarine ngenkathi seyikipile. Lo mfana lo wangitshola na. Uthi ngalokho.
It's getting dirty now, eh?
Well ke uSipho lo oyi-ex yami salala naye.
Mayi baba uyangijwayela phela.
We listen and we don't judge. Angisho ukuthandana netabani.
Yeah, that is guys. We listen, we don't judge. Hlala my sister Kati, thathe tuzokwami. Just take care of the guy. My bro, yamazi uSipho.
Ngiyamazi.
Is your friend, but at the same time, shaya umuntu wakho. Kanjani?
Umngani nami
Yikho into azekhuluma uthandana netabani.
Bro, for how long you've been dating Amajid?
I think it's been 2 years.
For how long you've been dating?
4 years.
4 years. So, uqale sekhona vele? Yeah. My sister, what is it that you are not doing right to push a guy to date another guy? It's not wrong, but...
Manje so wena usublame mina manje futhi.
No, I'm just asking a fair question. It's a fair question.
Yini engayenze right mina?
What is it that you are not doing right to your partner? I mean, because when I first come here, begu right, begu mnandi. What is it, guys, that you are facing or you are hiding from me? What is it that you are doing, my brother, ukuthi azabuyele kwi-ex yakhe? Yini lo othula ukumsatisfy ngayo ukuthi azabuyele your friend, man, your friend uzahamba yoshawa umngani wakho oyi-ex yakhe?
Angazi ngizolutho ngathi angimsatisfy ngakhona from kuyena.
But usually...
No, it's obvious. It's because you're gay. That is why.
So, when you are saying you went to Usihle because your boyfriend is gay, well, discover ukuthi okay, what is it that uguy wayengayenzi ekwenza ukuthi uzi-accept? Because uSipho umngani wakhe and uSipho i-ex yakho. Why from the first place ungamtshelanga ukuthi mfethu the guy I was dating is your friend? Why? Love is supposed to be healthy, guys.
Wena ngisibona ngani isidingo?
Uyabona manje ukuthi kwenzakalani? Into eyenza manje will affect you 10 years to come. What you doing now will affect you in future. Yabo? Do you see? Ukuthi kubonakala kanjani? Uthando linamanga, uthando luhle phambi kwabantu but uthando linamanga. It's not healthy.
Yeah,
Do you have your phones?
yeah, khona amakhona.
Yeah, please borrow me your phones. Yo. Umanzi phansi. Mangifika, I came to them. Bebe o lovey-dovey, Romeo no Juliet. But now, just discovered ukuthi lo uthandana nomngani kalo, lo okay. Uthando lwemfihlo guys, it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't progress. Uthando lukhula ngamanga, luyabhidlika because it's dirty love at the end of the day. Please borrow me your friends and file my password if it has my password so that I can be able to have access. You guys have to have access to my phones when. So if I can. Ah, don't scroll my brother. Okay, you. Safari. Iphathele ngaka. Alright. Uyakunika vele my iPhone yakhe. Nansi, thatha. Wena?
Ah, cha, angikulokothi.
Awulokothi.
Ayi.
Why? Is it something owayitshela yona noma uyanqaba naye?
Inkinga ngisuke ngingancane ukuthi ngiphoxeke yabo.
Sibone.
Avoid ukuphoxeka.
We're gonna search my phones wenu. Please go on WhatsApp. Do you have Facebook or Instagram? Both of you, do you have ama socials?
Yeah, khona.
I do have Facebook.
No, Facebook.
Yeah.
We know Facebook now. Let's start on Facebook. Hamba ku Messenger. Yes, we want to go Messenger. Go to Gelang Messenger. No, let's just scroll for now. Wait. There's nothing here. Let me type. I want to see you. There's nothing on that. Sifake inhliziyo. Sifake inhliziyo. There's nothing on that. I miss you. Yeah. Sipos. Alright, we discovered Sipo. Lo ade asitshela ngayo, it's fine. Let's just keep it there. My sister, discovered Sipo on your messenger. No, let's go on WhatsApp. Let's just check on WhatsApp as well. Yeah, wait. Go on search. Just write I love you. Yes. I love you. Yes, there is Usipho again, but here there is the I love what is going on. Fuck. These people are really fucking, dude. Behind your back. Oh, disappointed in a church lady like you. Okay, let's pick any phone yam mfethu. Oh, isivalile. Uyichufile isicheshi ivala. Faka password. Yeah, it's fine. Go in Messenger. Just type I miss you. On search, yes, I miss you. There's nothing. It's clean. Go on WhatsApp. Yeah. Again, type I love you. Wait. Oh, almost clean. Fake inhliziyo. No, this is you. The guys, I love you. Uyakwena, boko I love you abala. Bayakwena, they directed straight to you. Zonke inhliziyo ufake inhliziyo ezithi pa. Zonke zibheke kwena. Alright, let's go back to the matter ya Sipho. There's only Sipho on your phone. My sister. Why? I want to know. Okay, your guy is been in a relationship with a gay, but there's nothing says they are in a relationship. With what I see on the phone, weekly little phone.
Nkosi.
Ayisho ukuthi uyiklinile-ke ifoni.
Delete i-convo yakho nalo out lo or
No, Kokon.
akho khona.
Eh.
But how? Fine then, my sister. Why are you fucking your boyfriend's friend?
No, asekho nesidingo sokuphendula cause mfana uyi-gay, so obvious sekuyaphendula
No,
kanjalo.
we discovered it now.
Yeah.
But before, wait. When if it wasn't for a black life or Mina to ask
Phela
for a
kusizile
guy to say into engaphakathi akonyuluke, you wasn't gonna get ukuthi okay, why were you fucking?
no kusizile
Ujida
phela
wakhe.
ukufika kweni la kumina ukuze ngazi iqiniso ngakuthi ugay. Cause angiboni ngisazoqhubeka
Still,
naye.
you are not answering into engibuza. Why were you cheating on your boyfriend with umngani wakhe? Let us not talk about into eyenzeke manje. Let us talk about into eyenzeke before. Kwenzakaleni ekuqaleni, why? Why did you do it?
Hayi namakhathi.
Normally people cheat, abazi ukuthi bachithelani, just like my sister enzile, akazi ukuthi uchitheleni. It doesn't make sense. My brother, ufisa senze njani? Thini isisombululo sale nto le? Are you still gonna go on dating with umuntu othandana nomngani wakho? Not othandana nomngani wakho specifically, umuntu olala nomngani wakho, uzokwenza njani?
Never.
Are you breaking up with her? Noma uzozama ukuthi ulungise izinto naye, yini ozoyenza?
Cha singcono sihlukane phela.
So you think that's the best solution right now ukuthi nihlukane? So it doesn't matter about the time that you spend together, akusasho lutho manje.
Ungibonisile ukuthi ungumuntu onjani. Manje lokho njengamanje mina ngiyakuthuka ngiyakushoma konke lokho.
But to me, it seems like there is a fairness because you are gay. You are cheating and she's also cheating. Why kuba buhlungu mase kuza ngakwena? Don't you think if uyena discoverile firstly ukuthi you are gay? My sister, what ubuzomgapa now?
Ukube
Like right now, you know your boyfriend is gay. It's in the solution yakho wena. What will you do? What are you going to do about that? Because we're in a 50-50 situation. We are gay ngala okay, now we are cheating ngala no psychos. Thini so ufisa kwenzakaleni wena? Ufisa enzeni my guy? Ufisa kuxolela?
ayikho into
Wait, ufisa yena personally my guy akuxolele yini ngosipho?
guys because I serious ayikho into engizoyenza nomuntu oyistabani.
Wait.
Sifuna.
Ingakho uyabalekela umbuzo wami. Musukubalekela umbuzo wami. Ufisa ukuthi sihle personally lo mfethu lo ngendaba yaSipho. Ufisa ukuthi akuxolele yini since sesolile ukuthi wena ushayana nomngani wakhe uSipho. Ufisana, ufisa ukuxolela
Engabuzi.
personally and according to your relationship nesikhathi senibe naso nezifiso enifisa ukuba nazo ufisa kwenzakaleni, ufisa akuxolele yini? Awufisa ukuxolela. Why?
Sengi right. Sengivele nga
My
right.
brother. Wena ufisa kwenzakaleni? Do you wish for her to accept akuxolele ukuthi okay?
Angiboni njengebisimo sesikanje ngibona ukuthi ngakhona into esangazi.
But if she was going to give you a chance, ubungenza njani? Will you take the chance as well? Will you take a chance if she was going to give you a chance ukuthi niphinde lungise izinto? Wena?
Angiboni.
This is what happens here, guys. Kwenzeka nje na. They start dating, bajole, kwenzeke yonke into, bahambe beyoshada kanti abekho ready, fike emshadweni, kuphithizeke izinto, kufizitsha. Kanti people have been dating, baneyimfihlo, abakwazi ukukonyulukelekana, abakwazi ukukhulumana namaclose. Into ebalulekile isifundo engizothi sithathe namhlanje ukuthi whenever you decide to commit yourself in a relationship, go all out, utshele upartner wakho izinto angazazi, umtshele yonke into so that uzombuza ukuthi uzokhona yini ukuphila nalezo zinto lezo. Will you be able to take me as your wife or as your husband nalezo zinto lezo usuzazi noma, because it's not gonna help mase discover because right now you just discovered izinto eyimosha izinto. Niyangithola? So you decided to part ways, uyamshiya nawe uyashiyana manje.
That's a
That's not
shame.
what we came here for. It's a Black Life TV. It's very unfortunate that it's happening now, but we have nothing or any control with this. I've asked to go to will they give each other chances, but no. Cool. Say we right. As a Black Life TV, we are done for the day. We came here with a good guy, with a good vibe. We are very sorry that we discovered, we made them discover what but love is supposed to be healthy. Make sure if ungenothandweni wenza yonke into ngendlela efanele ukuze kuze kuphele kanje.
It's the Black Life TV.